Hello, this video is for the award transactions by lead unit report found in Kuali. When you first log into Kuali, go to Research Home. This will bring you to your research dashboard. On the left-hand side in the left menu, you should now see your reports menu. If your menu is collapsed, you can uncollapse at the bottom. Click on Reports. This will bring you to the report landing page. You should see a monthly administration of research summary folder available to you. Please click on that. And then click on Award Transactions by Lead Unit. This report displays all award transactions within Kuali. The award transactions represent the change in the anticipated amount entered into Kuali for any given award. The anticipated amount is the amount awarded to the university, not necessarily the amount funded. Because of timestamps that we have to use to record these transactions into the reports, we are currently only able to display transactions that occurred during FY 2020 or beyond. For data prior to FY 2020, please contact your OSP administrator. In this report, we've included a text section that should give you a quick little rundown on how to use the filters. This video will also demonstrate how to use them. This report is comprised of smaller reports. The first one is at the College Center and VP office level. The next one is by lead unit, then by researcher, then monthly totals and cumulative totals for the period selected. Normally we do fiscal years, but if you select multiple fiscal years or any other time period, these will correspond to that. The cumulative is period to date. Sponsor type. And then at the bottom is a raw data section that is not only troubleshooting and data validation, it represents how the numbers were calculated above. This is also for you to download if you wish. If you go to the ellipses on the top right of the report itself, click on it, and then hover over download, and it should give you an option to download it as a CSV file in Excel or any other spreadsheet program. All right, let's go back to the top. What we're going to do now is we're going to select our college or center. So we go to the far right in the filter menu. If this menu is collapsed, you want to scroll to the right and just hover over until this arrow pops out. Click on it to open up the filter menu. We're going to click on the edit pencil icon at the top right of the specific filter that we're looking for. This one is the College Center and VP filter. We're going to click on it. I would recommend unselecting all. And for this demonstration, we're going to use College of Engineering. So we're going to select College of Engineering. You can see that it's populated in the filter. We're going to click OK. As we select the filters, all reports will update. So you see now that all lead units that report up to College of Engineering are listed. This would be for colleges, all of your departments and the dean's office. For the research centers, it'll probably just be the research center. There's only 1 or 2 research centers that have subdepartments. In addition, all researchers that are listed on awards for which the lead unit rolls up to our filter that we've selected are now displayed. Likewise, monthly totals and cumulative totals have updated to represent only those awards, same as sponsor type and our raw data. We're going to now narrow this down farther by lead unit. Same thing, click on the pencil icon to edit, unselect all. And for this one, we're going to select civil and environmental engineering. Selected, click OK. Now this is highlighted, and all researchers that are listed on civil and environmental engineering awards are displayed. And again, monthly totals, sponsor type, and raw data has updated. One thing to note for these reports, if you take your mouse cursor and you hover over the data, then it gives you additional information. For the sponsor type, it'll show you the percentage of the total and the total amount. state and federal for this one. If you go up to your monthly charts, it gives you the number for each month. And over on the cumulative side, in the researcher report, if you hover over, this shows you how much this researcher has had in award transactions as a PI and as a COI. The percentages are for the specific researcher. So 87% of this researcher's award transactions have come as a COI. Likewise for the departments, even unselected, we can still hover over them. And for the overall college. To clear the filters, you can either go back to the pencil icon, select all, click OK, select all, click OK, and now we're back to our baseline. And this is what I was talking about. So for the entire College of Engineering, this is the total amount, College of Science, etc. Another way that is a little less stable, but it works, to select filters is to go to the specific report. In this case, we want College of Engineering, and we're just going to click on College of Engineering. And as you can see, the filter has updated. We're going to select Civil and Environmental. Again, the filter is updated, and we have our researchers. If we wanted to select a specific researcher, we could do that. And again, the filter updates. What you will notice is that on these individual reports where a filter has been chosen, you have the option to clear the selection. If you click on that, it should clear it. If you ever run into any issues using this method, go back and use the filter menu on the right. One last thing, if you want to search a filter, another way to do it, especially in the researchers because we have so many, if you unselect all, click into the search box, and then start typing a name of your researcher, it will narrow it down. You can then select your researcher, click OK, and now all reports will update based on that filter. So you can see that this researcher belongs on awards that have civil and environmental engineering as the lead unit, which then rolls up to College of Engineering. Here are the monthly totals and cumulative totals for that researcher, the sponsor types, and the raw data at the bottom. Now, because we have so many researchers, you'll notice that this table report tends to get pretty populated. You can go to the left of this report in the little magnifying box, and you can condense that down as much as you like. I think the minimum is about 6 entries. You can also take this and maneuver it throughout the entire list. So for instance, let's clear our researcher selection. Now we're including all researchers. We can take this and scroll through the entire list. We can expand it a little bit and scroll through as we need to see it. Okay. We'll go back to the top. If you have any questions about the report, please contact your OSP administrator. If you have any questions about the data within the report, please also contact your OSP administrator. Thank you.